Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up swipe gesture in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. Here it usually opens up in the messages board, but we can either swipe right or tap on these three little lines in the top left corner. And here in this list, we tap on settings. And in the settings menu, we find chat settings. We tap on it. And then here we can scroll down and find chat list swipe gesture. Here we can select from this little roller thing the function that we want to add to the swipe gesture. Either delete the message, either mute the chat, archive the chat, mark as read, or pin the chat, or change the folder that it is housed in. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.